Hey, I got this boat launch to show you. Let's check it out. The road's not the greatest. Might have been washed out too from that storm. Never been down there. Wow, big lake. These part of things. Railroad tracks. Oh, the guys out there on the railroad bridge. Science fiction? No. There you go. Oh, there's a trail. Oh, there's a trail. We gotta walk down the trail. Here we go. My bad. I'll walk the front. Yep. Put the window up. We're gonna go take a little hike.
Got the window rolled up.
Go over to that sign first. Alright, check this out. Check this out. There's the water. I'm gonna check this place out over here. See what this map says. Or signs. Then we go down the trail. Look at the berries on there. Oh, the little berries. We're not alone. Work for the Department of Energy and Environmental Protection. State of Connecticut Environmental Protection. Somebody lost some pictures. Huh. Well, let's go check it out.
What's the name of this place?
It doesn't say. It says Connecticut Department of Connecticut Environmental Protection Regulations. It doesn't say exactly what it is. Look at the roof. Huh. Good place to picnic, though. There's a trail over here, too. Let's go down this other trail over here, Lon. I don't want to make the video too long. We're gonna take a hike down over here. You coming? Alright, be careful. Take a walk over here. Those are probably all fishing things, what you can't catch, what you can catch. But there's a trail right over here. Let's go. Look at all the wood. You locked the car? No shell fishing. Sign said no shell fishing. Look at that tree.
No what?
Shell fishing. No shell fishing.
Uh-huh.
Let's see, we're into
Just keep your eyes open for your ticks.
bobcats,
It could be.
lions, coyote,
Coyotes.
killer ticks. Whoa, there's some people over there. 3 or 4 people. Fishing or something. Look at the white moth. Let's go check it out. Come walk with us. Come take a little
Really
trail
flowers.
walk.
They look like mountain laurels.
Yeah. Pretty flowers. Look at that. Which way? Go this way. Wow, there's some old timbers. Train track.
Yeah.
Wow, you could build a nice foundation with those. I bet you they're still pretty good. Look at that.
Yeah, they're probably like they're all soaked in those, like they call creosote.
Yeah.
You don't smell it.
Yeah, there's more.
Yeah. So just be careful with the.
Whoa. We're on the railroad tracks.
Wow.
Hey. Right on the river. Look at all that ties.
Ooh.
It's people throw their garbage out over here. Pretty cool.
Good spot to go fishing.
Sprite. Ooh, these rocks hurt my feet. I'll come take a walk down here.
Somebody been fishing.
Oh yeah, they throw their garbage all in there. Assholes.
Fishing over there. Or there's this buoy.
What bridge is that? Well, that's the one we just came across.
Yeah,
Way over there.
that's got to be.
And there's a energy building over there. What's that, Lon?
Is that towards Foxwood?
Be careful. We're on a slope. No, Fox Woods is way over that way.
Right.
Way over there. Mohegan Sun, right there. You can see the top of the hotel.
Okay, I wasn't too
That's-
sure
yeah,
which,
Mohegan Sun.
which way I was looking at.
Yeah.
Well,
We're kind of like in reverse. We're reversing. They got a nice house over there.
yeah.
Nice
I bet you
view.
don't have to get flood insurance.
Yeah.
They're high up enough.
All right, we'll get out of here.
The river has a.
How come they put these metal things on there? The ends.
I don't know.
I don't know. Keep the wood together or something?
No. I don't know.
Can you walk on the rail? Can I walk, like, see how far I can go without messing up? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, 15. 15 steps before I fell off the rail. Well, you want to head back on?
Let's go down that way for a little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah, but when we get a train coming, then we get off the
We
track.
jump off the tracks,
It is easy to walk on.
fall into the water and drown.
Yeah.
Look at all the fucking garbage people throw.
I know, that's kind of.
Uh-huh. Yeah, because there's like a little pass-through over there.
We can go to our.
And we're parked over there. That's right. See, we're invading these people's space.
No, you're not. They're fishing.
They're fishing. How far do you want to go down?
Go down the ways.
Where?
Keep on going.
I'm good. You see the current coming through here. You see the current coming through? That will pull you right out into the middle of the river.
Yeah.
The current's definitely moving. These people don't want to be on camera. That's it. I'm not going any further.
Must be
on.
good for the geese.
Yeah. There's some jumping. There's stuff jumping. There's, see the fish?
Yeah.
Oh, another one right there.
They think they're gonna
Another
get
one?
fed.
Yeah. There'd be fish in that water.
Piranhas.
Piranhas. Well, look at the current going out. There's some scrap metal on. Pick that up. That's heavy as fuck.
Oh, yo, I'm going to Pride tomorrow. I'm gonna get my gay on. I'm so excited. It's in North.
All right.
That's at noon. My girlfriend.
You ready? Let's see how many steps I can take. One. Whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 4. Try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.
River, you get fighting some eels and this September, you should be getting striped bass.
1,
and blues.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. I did 14 before. 14 steps.
Good.
And I just did 12 before I fell off the rail.
These tracks, I bet these tracks.
These rocks hurt when I my little rubber shoes.
These tracks can tell some stories.
I bet. There's some history here.
Oh yeah. Carry a lot of freight.
Yeah, this is probably freight train or something, right?
Yeah.
Back in the day, they'd deliver coal
Yeah.
and stuff. All right, we're out of here, I guess.
Yeah.
Another day on the rails. Let's get out of here, Lon.
Yeah.
That's not manly like. These rocks hurt my feet with these stupid shoes on. I didn't expect to do this. This is all a spur of the moment deal. Uh-oh, there's a crow or something.
That's the crow.
I love these flowers, though. Look at that. Kind of reminds you of a graveyard or something. Huh?
Well, what kind are they?
They were at that other spot.
Watch your feet.
Look at, there's bee on it. See the flower? The whole hill slope is filled with them. Beautiful, and there's bees.
I can take
Whoops.
take some.
I'm slipping. I can't walk in these shoes. I don't know how that guy down in Florida does it. The swamp guy,
Yeah.
or the alligator guy. Look at the size of this acorn. No mushrooms though. Uh-huh. Didn't see any mushrooms. They're invading my yard. Look at that tree's old. That tree's dead. There's a crow. Wow, look at these yellow flowers too. These are kind of cool. I've seen them before. There's bugs on them. Look at there's a little bug on it. Bee. That's cool. Look at this. People throw their garbage. Humans. Ow!
Your feet.
I just tripped.
That one, I'll tell you, that trail's not as bad.
No, this is not too bad. The size of that rock. Want to move some rocks?
No.
Move some trees?
Oh, we got another one.
Another visitor. Popular spot. Look at that tree. Well, we're out of here. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.